got us here won't get us there sort of is in my mind when I think about um, any organization or any person within an organization. So our initial idea, the initial product, service, problem to solve, the initial reason we started the business in the first place, um, that may or may not be relevant anymore. Maybe it had to improve or change and shift with the market or the customer demands. And so that core thing might be have drifted. It might be exactly the same. You might be still making millions of the same widget that you made the first time, just better, cheaper, higher quality, whatever. So uh, I'm not saying that what got us here won't get us there applies to the work itself, but it usually does. There's usually a continuous improvement element, at least, if not an overall need for new product development, new innovations in that space. But my point really is when you start something, let's say it's a business or a team, where you start working for that business or team, there's continuous work to do to improve and get better. There's also the day job. There's the making the trains run on time, making the deliveries happen, working with the customers on the sales side to close the deal, to add value, to support them. All of the things we do in a role description, what we're hired to do. Ultimately, when you have a team, there's a certain amount of things that I just need to get done on a daily basis. And again, today, more than ever, I think, with the amount of information and data from multiple channels, there's a lot coming at us. The thing that I think you would agree with is whenever I talk to someone, I say, "How are you doing?" They usually say, "Busy." Busy is the thing. And it's been that way for many, many years, and it's only getting busier. And so if people are super busy and they're working a lot on their day job with lots of things coming at them, when and how do we have time and space to think about getting better and to think about what got us here isn't going to get us there? And how are we relevant in 3 to 5 years, if not 10 or 20 years? So that original vision for the business can get lost in the day to day. And so something that I stumbled upon, found when I was young in my career, was this creative tension, if you will, this idea of one thing pulling the other constantly. And that creative tension is two words to me. It's the vision for the future, the vision for the company, the team, the culture, the vision for what we want to have, the desired future state, the vision, and the focus on the people right across the screen from me or right across the table from me, the people focus, the project focus, the prioritization focus, the day-to-day work focus to get it done well, efficiently, effectively, all those things. So there's a focus on the task at hand, and there's the vision for where we're going. Leaders have the opportunity and the challenge to align those almost consistently, constantly. How am what am I doing right now? This conversation I'm having with this strategic partner, this customer, this investor, this teammate, this work I'm doing right now, how does that align to where we're going? Does it align to where we're going? Is this actually helping us go forward or not? That process, that ongoing creative tension, which, by the way, that phrase, that concept came from Peter Senge's work, I think in 1990, 1991, in the learning organization work. So that's really stuck with me, and it continues. So vision and focus. I'm always thinking about the next meeting I'm having, the next conversation, the next document I'm working on, the next workshop, the next speech, the next thing I'm doing, the next session with a client. Can I be dialed in and focused to be present, to be listening, to be right here, right now, and remembering in the back of my head or the front, is this guiding us towards the right future state that we agreed to? Is it aligned? So that work is difficult. Some people are more natural at it than others. I personally prefer the future state than some of the work right now that can be challenging. Some others are very good and only want to do the thing in front of them and have a difficulty thinking about that future state. So the mixing of the two, that creative tension, is powerful and an ongoing challenge and opportunity.